Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can enable these touch sounds on your mobile settings. Okay, see here, when I tap on the settings or any other option, if you can observe, there is some sound whenever I touch any option on my mobile. You can enable this mobile option very easily. First, I'll tell you on this Motorola mobile. First of all, this is Motorola mobile. Please do comment who else are using Motorola mobiles in the comment section. At the end of the video, I'll be telling you on the Realme mobiles also. So these are on the Android phone settings. You need to reach to where is the sound and vibration option. Sound and vibration, see here, sound and vibration. And the sound and vibration, just scroll down until you find, see here, there is a option called tap and sound clicks. By default this option will be disabled. See, now if I tap on this, no sounds will be there, right? So sorry, whenever you enable this, no need to restart your mobile or anything. Simply after you enable this, you'll get that sound. Now we'll see in the Realme mobile. Yeah, as I said, I'll be continuing in the Realme mobile. So this is the Realme mobile, and see here, let me just click on the Android phone settings, and here the options will be very similar, sounds and vibration, and scroll down until you'll find the more sounds here and touch sound. Just enable this option. By default this will be disabled. See, this sound is slightly different. See, yeah, if you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.